Hello guys, so I made this cool ship made from normal Lego and Technic Lego. So Technic Lego is where you use these pins. These pins instead of things to make stuff stick. These studs. They use pins instead of studs. And then trust me, it takes more time. And then so first it's a floating ship, right? Off in the sea doing nothing wrong with this. And then once they need to do a getaway, the front goes like this. Then here there's supposed to be like an engine thing, but I think I'll add it. All the buoyancy is in here. Once it fills up with hot air, then that's gonna be the last production. Then these red things and this turns on. Then this spins around. And then once it goes on the last rotation, this goes like this, and then this goes up. So then the buoyancy goes away. And then that's the signal for the buoyancy to go away. You really don't have to spin it that many times.
What is buoyancy?
Buoyancy is the weight that keeps heavy things floating. It mostly is just air. And then this thing goes up so that the hot air helps push it up. This is the engine bar that also helps with the buoyancy. Then here it's just for decoration, but not only for decoration. This has the forward force. It will make it go forward. Then once it goes like this, there are these things on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there are things there. I'm trying to look for the other one. Oh, here it is. So then these go up to help it too. So then go the key, wee, and then these go back a little bit. When I say a little bit, I mean like a lot. And then this turns like this, too, so that there's a little bit of buoyancy, but not so much. Then these help it go forward. Oh, then these go that way. After that, the buoyancy here is a little bit higher. And this is what it looks like when it's going forward. And this is what it looks like when it's going to land on land. Get it? Landing on land.
Bakit landing on land? Ano ba yan?
This is both a car, a ship. No, it's actually a cargo car, a ship, and a boat. Then, like this.
So it's good for land, water, and
air. Yeah. Then these turn up like that, and then lots of weight is put in there, and then this is turned like that.
What is that?
The engine. And then these are turned off. Also, this is the pew pew.
Pew pew.
I forgot to tell you about this. It's the protecting. Oh wait. Okay, so that's basically the entire thing. But hold on 1 second. It all started with this little boat. Yeah, this little boat. Then everything changed right after I put something on the back. Everything changed into this monstrosity.
What do you call that one?
A monstrosity.
Monstrosity?
Yeah, wait, I call it the amphibian monstrosity.
Amphibian what?
Amphibian monstrosity.
What is shiz?
That means it likes to go on water and land and air. And then, so then I decided to make it bigger, but I made it huge. So I added this, and then I wanted to be a little bit protective, so I put these barriers around it. And then I think, boom. that happened. And also, we turn on. It also goes 500 miles per hour.